Morning, sir.
All of you, please go to the chat box, give the attendance.
Okay.
Welcome to the second class of the junk seller. In the last class, introduction of the chapter is given, the whole story is explained, and a few simple basic addition multiplication questions are.
Morning, sir.
In the multiplications, there are two methods. One is the direct multiplication, another one is multiplication by splitting method. What is this splitting method? Multiplication by splitting method. What is this? For example, 45 into 12. Suppose you want to multiply 45 with 12. How we do this? By splitting method that we are going to learn now. 45 into 12. 45 can be written as 40 plus 5. You have to express the number to the nearest 10. 45 means 40 and 5. Similarly, 12 means 10 plus 2. Express the number in the form of nearest 10. 45 means 40 plus 5. 12 means 10 plus 2. Okay. Now express it. Then how to multiply this? We will take the help of a table here. If we draw the table here, here first number 40 and 5. 40 and 5. 12. 12 means 10 plus 2. We write here 10 and 2. Here we put the symbol multiplication. A table is to be drawn like this, 2 rows and 2 columns. 40 and 5, 45, 10 and 2, 12. Then what? Then start multiplication. 10 into 40, 10 into 40. That will be 400. 10 into 5, 10 into 5. What is 10 into 5? 50. This is the multiplication by splitting method. Next, 2 is there. 40 is there. 2 into 40. 2 into 40. That is 80. 2 into 5. That is 10. Like this, you have to complete the table. I will explain once again. Please listen carefully. 45 into 12. How to do this in splitting method? Today we are going to learn the splitting method. So concentrate carefully. 45 means 40 and 5. 12 means 10 and 2. You have to express nearest to 10. 40 and 5, 10 and 2. Write in the row and column wise. Multiply 10 into 40, 10 into 5, 2 into 40, 2 into 5. Mute yourself, please. Whatever the numbers you got in the table, these 4 you have to add. I said mute yourself. I said mute yourself. Whatever results I got, you have to add them. 400, 50, 80, 10, 0, 0, 0, 0. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 4 and 1, 540. So the result is 540. Instead of the direct multiplication, you can do like this also. This is called multiplication by splitting method. Today the whole class we are going to study about this. This is one example I have done. I think it is clear to you. If not, I will do one more question. I will do 2-3 questions. Then rest you have to take over this. Okay?
Sir, right?
Yes, you have to start writing now.
Okay,
multiplication by splitting method. In the class work, start writing. Multiplication by splitting method. First question, 45 into 12. All of you, please switch on your videos. No need to tell this daily. Any number you have to express to nearest 10. 45 into 12. So 40 plus 5, 10 plus 2. Then write like this. Those who completed this, they can try this. (62 into 15).
Sir,
Yes. Yes, tell me. What is the doubt? Splitting method is very easy.
sir,
Yes. After
actually
that,
right, sir.
huh? What is the doubt?
It will be right, sir.
What is your doubt? Tell properly and clearly.
What to write, sir? Sir, can you expand again? Right.
What you are telling, I am not able to understand. At least give in the chat box. You are not able to tell properly.
Sir, he wants to tell what should we write.
What should be right means first question is done here. Second question is given for you. Multiplication by splitting method, that is the topic we are going to discuss now. First question, find 45 into 12. Express
Sir,
45, 12, table, add and get the value.
We have to write first question also.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
This is the first question.
Okay, sir.
Those who completed the first question, they can try 62 into 15. I will do it. If you complete it, don't waste your time. You can try this. 62 into 15.
Sir, we need to draw the whole table.
Yes. Whatever is there on the board, you have to do everything.
Atori.
Sorry, mute yourself. Many people's video is off. Switch on the video.
Good morning, sir. Second one's answer is 930.
Let me check.
Sure, we should write this in our notebook. Sir, we should
930
write
what?
this in our notebook.
Yeah. Aditya Pavan, what are you doing? Avantika, switch on your video. Saifullah, switch on your video.
Sir,
Yes.
we can write fourth table.
Hmm?
We can write fourth table.
I'm not getting what you want to tell.
Sir, they are telling we should write this all. Sir, we can write
I told you
No.
copy this. Then what you are asking? You have to copy the everything. That is the first question.
Completed, sir.
Then try 62 into 15.
Sir, my completed, sir. Pranita. Sir, don't rub the first one. Yeah, sir, don't rub the first one.
How much time you will take?
Sir, only one first question, sir. 1 minute. Please show, sir. Sir, what is that? 62 into 15.
Yes, yes. That is the second question here.
Okay, sir. Sir, first answer is 540.
Done. First question is done. Copy immediately. Don't waste your time. I have told you clearly. First question copy. So you have immediately copy. Just you are wasting your time in the unnecessary questions. The first question is done. I would like to go for second question.
Second question answer is 930, sir.
930, correct. Very good.
Sir.
Shall I remove the first question?
No, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How much time you take?
Only 1 minute, sir. I will write.
Those completed
Please,
the first
sir.
question, keep trying the second one. 930 answer, you will get 62 into 15. 62 means 60 plus 2. 15 means 10 plus 5. Write like this and go for multiplication table.
32 into. Sir, over, sir.
Then keep quiet. Wait.
Sir, over, sir.
If it is done, no need to shout, keep quiet.
Zoom bravo. 62 is equals to 60. 60 in the equation and 60.
Okay, second question completed, then fine. Otherwise, look at the second question. 62 into 15. 62 write as 60 plus 2. 15 means 10 plus 5. Then draw the table.
6 y 4, 6 y 3,
62, 15, 10 and 5. Multiplication. 10 into 60, 600. 10 into 2, 20. 5 into 60, 5 6 are 30, so 300. 5 into 2, 10. Add everything. Add everything. 600, 300, 20, 10. 930. That is the answer.
ఓపెన్ చేసుకున్నాను చేయమని ఇక్కడ వస్తావా పంపేనేమో అవసరం లేదు
Someone is talking in the background with the parents. Mute yourself. Not to understand. You have to mute yourself when you are talking to your parents. So we did 2 problems on splitting method. Second question is this. Those you tried this, very good. Those you have not done, I have given the solution here. Please copy this.
Sir, it is 9:30.
9:30 is the right answer. We have the answer here. Ujay Naidu, why you are talking? Mute yourself. Completed.
Then I can on the screen. This one we have to write.
I will tell you, please wait. I have told you many times. Don't write anything unless I inform you. To complete the second question, then I will go to the PPT on the screen. I will tell you what you have to do. You have to wait. Don't ask again and again.
What is your phone?
If this 62 and into 15 is completed by all the students, let us move to the textbook problem. Still some nonsense is there. I don't know why you don't mute yourself. Your parents are talking. No common sense, nothing. Now in the last class about this chapter, I have explained to you clearly about the junk seller. Junk seller means they will buy waste items, unused items, junk items, and they will sell. Here it is Jinu's rate list. The junk seller Jinu is having a shop in which he will sell the junk items, waste papers, newspapers, iron, brass, and plastic. Cost of 1 kg is clearly given there. Waste paper cost 5 rupees, newspaper cost 8 rupees per kg, iron 15 rupees per kg, brass 190 per kg, plastic 18 rupees per kg. This is Jinu's shop. Dinu is also there, one more junk seller. Dinu's rate list is given. Waste paper 4 rupees 50 pice, newspaper 6 rupees, iron 14 rupees, brass 180 and plastic. Okay, this is fine. Now what we are going to do? Dinu, he is going to buy 63 kg of plastic. How much he has to pay? 1 kg of plastic is 12 rupees and he is going to buy 63 kg of plastic. Now you are supposed to do the multiplication and get the cost. So, third question. Cost of 1 kg plastic. Cost of 1 kg plastic is 12 rupees. Then what is the cost of 63 kg plastic? 1 kg 12 rupees. 63 kg will be 63 into 12. Okay. 63 into 12. How to find this? Splitting method. 63 means 60 plus 3. 12 means 10 plus 2. Draw the table and get the value. 63, 10 and 2 multiplication. Okay. So question is there on the board. The solution also I have explained here. Let me see. How to write? 63 means 60 plus 3. 12 means 10 plus 2. This how we can write. 60 plus 3, 10 plus 2. After that, table 63, 10 into 2. Okay, start doing. Let us see what happens. Get the value. Do it. Do it and get the value. 63 into 12. Question is here. Question is on the board. Find the cost of 63 kg plastic if the cost per kg is given 12 rupees. Ten into 60. You have to do 10 into 60, 600. 10 into 3, that is 30. Then 2 into 60.
Sir.
Yes.
756, sir. Answer.
3, 2, just 6. After getting all the values, you have to add.
Sir,
Don't
7.
shout.
756, sir.
Don't shout. I have not asked the answer. Don't.
756.
I have told you not to give the answer. Don't shout.
Sir, we should write this. 56.
I have told you not to shout, not to give the answer. Why you are shouting and giving the answer? That's why I'm going to mute you all. I have told you in the last class also, you are not supposed to give the answer unless I ask. If I ask, then only you have to give the answer. Otherwise, keep quiet. Why you are shouting? I will ask, then you have to give the answer. I have told you many number of times. You people are keep on shouting, disturbing the class. So 10 into 6, 600. 10 into 3 is 30. 2 into 60 is 120. 2 into 3 is 6. Now add all the values. $756 is the answer. I'm not going to send any classwork, so you have to write now itself. I will share only the video. If you want to say something, go to chat box and give. We should write, sir. Yes, you have to write. That's why the question is given. I have told you, copy this question means you have to write. Whatever the numbers you got here, add them. Write and add them. If you want to say something, go to chat box and do it. So table multiply whatever the number you are getting, you have to write all numbers 60, 120, 36. Then if you add, you will get the answer 756. This is how we do the multiplication. Yes. Yes. Who is shouting there? Who is shouting there? Why you are shouting? If you want to say something, go to chat box, put the message. In the Genu shop, plastic cost is 18 rupees. 63 kg plastic, but 18 rupees. Then what will be the amount? Next question. Try this. What is the cost of 63 kg plastic? When 1 kg plastic 18 rupees, 1 kg 18 rupees. What is the cost of 63 kg? 1 kg 18 rupees. What is the cost of 63 kg? So the calculation will be 63 into 18. Next question is on the board and solution is also there except the table. This you have to complete. (63 into 18). How to do this? Try on your own. You are not getting, then you can see here. Solution is there for you, ready-made.
Sir, cost of 1 kg. That also right, sir.
Whatever is there on the board, you have to write. I have told you many times. Question and answer, everything is there on the board. You have to write. Don't ask the same question again and again. Whatever is there on the board, you have to write. Question, answer, calculation steps, everything is there. Only the table I have not completed. You have to do it on your own. If you are not getting, please look at the screen. Already solution is there for you.
Sir. Sir, answer is 1034, sir. Sir, 1034 is the answer, sir.
Wait. I told you not to tell the answer. Why you are shouting? I have not asked, no? Then keep quiet. Rishika, your parents are talking in the background. Ask them to keep quiet. The class is going on. Parents should have some idea that they should not disturb the class. The answer is 1134. Multiply. Okay. Completed. Now try these questions. Try one by one. 65 into 45. 60 plus 5. 40 plus 5. 65. 45. Do it and get the answer.
बोलो अलमीरा का लगा रही थी
8 questions are there. Let me see how fast you are going to do now. Now these are for you. How fast you are going to do, let me check. 65 into 45. How to do this? We did many questions on splitting method. 65 into 45. 65 means 60 plus 5. 45 means 40 plus 5. Draw the table, multiply and give the answer. $65 into 45. Do it fast. Let me know the answer.
Sir, please mute everybody. Everybody shouted, sir. Mute everybody, sir.
Yes. Make it fast. Those who completed, they can give the answer in the chat box. Three zero 1010 is the wrong answer. Soma Vaidikna, 3010 is the wrong answer, ma. 2925 is the right answer. $78 into 34. Zareen, what are you doing? You're sleeping in the class, huh? Sit properly. Two questions I have done. 65 into 45, 78, 34 I have done. Try to do the remaining questions. The remaining questions I will share the PDF of this. I will share the PDF of this. These are the homework questions I am going to give. Questions are there, answers also there. So these three I will share. Please complete them. First two questions we have done. These two we have done. The remaining questions you have to do. In addition to this, there are some questions here. Genus rate list or Genus rate list. 5 kg of plastic cost is to be find out. What is the 1 kg of plastic? Based on that, you have to find. Answers also here, but do it on your own by splitting method. This method you have to do. Okay. Ashwini, your parents are talking in the background. Ask your parents not to talk. Let's see.
Sir. Sir.
Yes. Yes, ma. What is the doubt?
Sir. Sir.
Yes. Ask.
Sir, these two questions we write in notebook, textbook.
Notebook. Everything in the notebook, not in the textbook. Everything is in the class
These
notebook.
two questions.
All the questions, whatever is
Okay.
taught
These
today,
two questions also.
everything is only one classwork. Everything should be in the classwork, not in the textbook.
These two questions also.
Classwork.
These two questions also, sir.
Everything.
The PDF.
Everything. The remaining questions you have to do as a homework. I will share these questions. All these questions I will share after the class. Okay.
Okay. Answers also. Sir.
I will share the questions. Please do it on your own. Answers I will not send.